help pick this selection off the ground. By the way, both pros and amateurs make them. For example, an inventor from Australia built this turbine. The meter-long cylinder will easily fit even on the roof of a small house. If you add solar panels, you can provide energy for the whole house. Not in vain, similar projects are implemented on an industrial scale. This model, called the Ridgeblade, went into production. It's ideal for pitched roofs. A clever focusing system allows it to work with a more powerful airflow and get up to 9 times more energy. Ridgeblade reaches its full power at wind speeds of 11 meters per second, and the construction can withstand even a storm, say the creators. An even more interesting vision is offered by an inventor from the United States. At the moment, he's testing different blades to increase the power output, but such turbines could certainly transform the appearance of a house. This drone is a fresh approach to same-day delivery for any business. The fully autonomous drone boasts a range of 966 kilometers and carries up to 227 kilograms of cargo at up to 241 kilometers per hour. So, it can deliver parcels 3 times faster than by car. The drone measures 4 by 5 meters and takes up 2 parking spaces, and since the vehicle's able to take off and land vertically, you don't have to modify these spaces. Employees will only have to load and unload the products, and the drone will do the rest itself. In case of problems, the experts from MightyFly, the supplier company, will come to help. German experts also have something interesting to offer. An institute developed a prototype of a robot ready to take the place of loaders. The design is based on an inverted pendulum. The lower part is responsible for balance, and the upper part for handling loads. Therefore, the robot is compact, maneuverable, and very fast. It speeds up to 10 meters per second. Instead of suction cups, it picks up loads with its grippers. The smart system knows by itself how much force to apply. This robot can be used not only in warehouses, but also in hospitals, as it has no problem pushing and pulling carts and beds. And in the future, engineers will add even more cool options. For example, they will perfect the rollover function and the transfer of loads directly into your hands. We have seen all sorts of scenarios for the rise of the machines. According to Terminator, it was supposed to happen back in 1997. However, so far the machines behave themselves. But engineering teams all over the world are tirelessly upgrading them. For instance, how'd you like this system that turns any excavator into an autonomous robot? It's mounted in the back of the machine in just a couple of hours. And you also need to set up beacons on the site. And then you just need to upload the tasks and the robotic excavator will do them. The manual control remains functional, the app will inform you about the work progress, and if there's an obstacle, the machine will stop in less than a second. In addition, the tasks will be precise to the centimeter, the manufacturers add in the description. Carrying on with the movie theme, in the past, the hologram projectors from the Star Wars universe seemed like something unbelievable. But today, everyone can buy an even cooler one. The model on the screen is inspired by the Rubik's Cube, Transformers, and Cyberpunk, so there are several functions: projector, speaker, lighting, and mini holograms. The latter are created with water mist. The 130ml tank is enough for an hour. The lighting adjusts to the sound and changes depending on the frequency range. The price starts at $80, and there are plenty of buyers. Over $30,000 have been raised through Kickstarter alone. How do you reinvent airplanes? All you need to do is make a bladeless engine. and the United States Air Force will be interested in your product. Here's a simplified explanation of the idea. We take a stream of compressed air and make it drag 15 times more. Engineers combined gas turbine generators and a fluidic propulsion, and everything worked. And pretty well at that. The numbers from the tests are: fuel consumption dropped 50%, traction went up 10%, and the system is 30% lighter than the classic design, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing. The team reports that its development is suitable for aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of up to 4.5 tons. They also add that they have begun to cooperate with the US military.